You alright? Oh my goodness, what did you get in your hair?
We just want to see how you're doing.
Oh,
Sorry.
I'm sorry, but you have to get that out. Jacob Sanchez, what did you do?
Stop. It's pulling his hair, baby.
That's not funny,
I'm
Mom.
sorry.
It's not funny.
Okay. Why did you put it in your hair? Oh my goodness.
What's a knife?
A knife?
I think you should just take a shower. No, Dad, stop. It's pulling his hair,
I'm
baby.
barely
Stop.
checking it.
No. Just put it in the shower. Let's just take a shower.
Alright. Since he already took a shower in slime. Look at all that. That was all in your hair. Daddy almost got most of it.
This is my birth father, Will.
Okay, alright, let's go take a bath.
Now let's take a shower.
Take a shower.
Oh my honey.
These people.
You're not making best slime.
You got slimed, dude. You got slimed.
I thought about him all the time.
It's not funny.
It is though. I'm sorry. It's a little funny.
Quiets down
It's not funny,
Okay.
Mom.
Alright,